Hello everybody. So just a quick video today, very busy day for me. Is it a bull market? Are we back? Is the market back? Today was a good day and growth stocks have really benefited. I think the market is pricing in that rate cut. Of course, this has been the talk of the town for like the past 3 weeks. We're getting the rate cut, sure, of course. But now pricing in multiple rate cuts. And if you look at the CME Fed Watch tool, we are really entering that wave of cuts, that rates cutting cycle, and we could go down maybe 200 basis points maybe by mid next year, mid 26, maybe even a little more than that. And so the market is anticipating that, and it's been a slow grind up, but we've been grinding back up. The most boring August, we seem to be coming out of it, and that's a celebratory moment. I briefly want to call your attention also to the IPO. I tweeted this earlier. Fool me once, yeah, Robin Hood, right? But fool me twice. This one is my fault. I was like, okay, let me try for the Figure IPO. That had to be a problem because when I did a Figma IPO, I only got one share. A single share, not 100 share, a single share, just one share of Figma. I did it again with Figure. I was like, okay, that seems pretty good. I looked at the company. I didn't spend as much time analyzing it, of course, because Figma, I had spent a lot of time analyzing it and ended up getting just one share. Figure also just one share. I mean, what is going on? Wall Street keeps being Wall Street. We need crypto so much. You're privy to special relationships. It's like these stocks only go to the people with the special relationships, and they've all popped, right? Figure popped 36%. You may remember Figma. That was way much of a pop. Klarna, I didn't participate in that one. That was a smart move, by the way, to not participate in that one, because I bet you I would have gotten just one share as well. Anyway, so this clutters the whole thing. I'm very upset about this one Robinhood thing. Why do you have that? It's more of a marketing thing. Point I'm trying to say, IPOs are making a comeback. When IPOs make a comeback, it's typically a sign that you are entering a bull market. If you look at the Renaissance IPO ETF, you can see that it's up 20% in the past 3 months. This is an ETF that holds new issues for a period of 4 years, at least based on my understanding, and it's usually a good tracker of some heat coming back in the market, some flows coming back in the market. Also an indicator. This is the ARK W ETF. This is the better ETF that Cathie Wood has, and it's back, not quite at all-time high, but we're pretty near all-time high. We're higher on the ARK ETF. We're higher than most of the time in 2021. We are now higher. So this is making a comeback as well. So are we back in a bull market? Moving on to that thing. So HIMS didn't do much yesterday, but HIMS was up more than 6% today. Very good performance. The market really digesting the news of the testosterone launch and what that's going to mean for a company like HIMS. Tesla benefiting heavily from the markets today. There was a stunning interview of Musk. Highly recommend that interview with the All In podcast that was posted 2 days ago with much relevant information, including on bots, including on self-driving. Today they got word that they would be getting started in Nevada, in self-driving in Nevada, and so Las Vegas would be a very big market for Tesla if they launched that over there. So there's a lot of good things going on for Tesla, and we're finally catching a break for Tesla as well. So this is good. And this is the conclusion of this video, is what's going on with Strategy. Is Strategy a stable coin? That's my joke now. And with Bitcoin, we've been through periods like this with Bitcoin a lot, where Bitcoin and these stocks just feel like a stable coin. The smaller treasury companies have been disappointing in recent performance, but Strategy has been essentially flat for 7 days now. I mean, it's five trading days. It's done nothing for 5 trading days. So to me, it sure looks like to me we've found a bottom. Although I'm not not a technical analyst. It sounds to me like there's only one way moving forward, and that is a spike when Bitcoin is going to spike. Bitcoin too hasn't done much. Bitcoin 114,000, I guess we'll take it, but it hasn't done much in the past month. This is the chart in the month. It hasn't done much since reaching all-time high and then dropping. Really, the past 2 to 3 weeks hasn't done much. Yes, strategy. MNAV unfortunately keeps coming down. 1.43. It's the lowest we've seen it. And of course, if the stock price doesn't move, but it keeps adding $300 or $400 million worth of Bitcoin every week, and the stock price doesn't move, you're going to have a mechanistic drop in the MNAV ratio, but I think this is due for a rebound, and to me that rebound will happen as we get those rate cuts. We need Stretch to trade above $99. We are not there yet. Stretch is not doing anything. Let's wait for the cuts, and I think Stretch should go up as there are not only rate cuts, but also as there is the dividend increase, and the news of the dividend increase on Stretch that is catching up the news. So to me, strategy is bottoming. And strategy is my number one stock that I own, of course. Tesla, second biggest one. Beautiful day for Tesla. HIMS today plus 6%. Beautiful day for HIMS, even though it didn't do too well yesterday. The IPOs coming back, ARK coming back, and the broad indices doing very well, and the odds of rate cuts also doing very well. Kind of makes me start to believe that we are back and that the bull market's coming back. So anyways, just a quick video today. This was not investment advice. This is not financial advice ever on this channel. This is only entertainment. I'm hoping you were entertained. Please like, please subscribe, follow me on Patreon, follow me on X. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.